Alright guys, thanks very much. This is a quick review on Agency Press, which is a new one out by Mike McKay. And yeah guys, I feel like this one's a really good one that's, probably it's a bit more outside the stream of what I do. Now the only difference is that this is a software that actually brings in, it's a WordPress based software that allows you to accumulate leads within a local market or industry or any niche really, where you'll be able to, find desperate businesses in need of services. Now you'll have an inbuilt autoresponder, so you don't have to have any, like additional monthly fees or anything like that. And they'll have pretty much like a one-click setup for you'll be able to clone and other websites within the same niche, and you'll be able to tailor it to these businesses' needs. Now, I feel like this is, it hasn't really been done before. However, what you can do and using this software is that you can actually create your own sort of agency business where you'll be able to build these sites for people in different niches. So it could be like for a restaurant, or it could be, for like a fitness center or anything like that. So you'll be able to generate content-based sites, plus also, just regular business sites for these people so they can attract more customers. Now, the beauty about Agency Press is that it actually comes with inbuilt SEO backlinking and site speed boosting. So all the pages are absolutely optimized for you, and you'll be able to do this quite quickly. And obviously, the more optimized your pages are, the more quickly you'll be able to get traffic to them. Now, you'll be able to grab, now these come with full commercial rights, so you'll be able to use this system for other clients as well, where not a lot of other people will be able to use it, where you'll be able to use their software for your own purposes, which is very complicated, but these guys give you full agency rights. So with this, it's perfect for people affiliates. Now, some people, local businesses actually charge up to $1,000 for these types of services. So you'll be able to, I'm just going to quickly jump in here, and I'm going to show you my bonuses really quickly, so you'll be able to get a bit of an idea. Now, pretty much these are done for you leads in 24/7 free traffic, and you can get $1,000 commissions just by sending out emails to local businesses that are literally looking for this sort of need. Now, the bonuses I'm giving away to you, so you'll be able to create unique content without writing a word. You'll also be able AdWords retargeting tutorial, so you'll be able to generate these, you'll be able to basically cookie these people, and you'll be able to retarget it for pennies on the dollar through the websites. You'll also get how to build a buyers list and how to nurture that list as well, so you'll be able to maximize your profits. And I'm going to give you away a 5-day blogging and traffic course, so you can really prime up these leads and get some more business traffic going forward. And as a sweetener as well, I'm going to give you the full access to the suite of the breakout code. You can, if you wanted to, you could use Agency Press for this type of work. You'll be able to create money sites using this, and you'll be able to use the breakout code as a profit maximizer as well. So you'll have the full suite there for your use as well. And the best thing is, I usually charge high ticket fees for people to get into my mastermind group, and you guys are going to get it free when you pick up Agency Press today. So now I'm just going to quickly go into the pricing really quickly. Now, the regular pricing on the front end is $17. You get it down, if you try to exit the page, you'll get a discount for $15. So you get about $37 for a pro. You can get $37 for a done for you. Now, $37 for a done for you is like nothing. So I feel like it's pretty good value there. $47 for reseller rights, so you'll be able to resell the agency Press, out to other clients as well. And you'll be able to generate $30 for IMX as well. So guys, this is a great deal. So if you really are looking to hit the local market, or even if you want to just mimic other money sites, you'll be able to legally do this using Agency Press. Now, you'll be able to copy other sites, migrate them and install them yourself, and you'll be able to use the inbuilt SEO to immediately drive traffic to your pages, and you'll be able to generate commissions. So I feel like this is a really good product to actually push through and to take on. It's always good to have multiple legs of different streams of income, and I feel like this one's a really good one because I actually build SEO sites as well, and you know what, it's just like having this sort of thing done for you all in one package at the price you get, because sometimes it can literally cost you over nearly $500 to get one website going, and these guys here give you the pro version, the done for you and whatnots for just a fraction of the price. So I fully recommend you guys jump on. I feel like you'll be able to really jump on and take advantage of Agency Press and really leverage this to get $1,000 commissions, or even just promoting your standard affiliate offers, guys. So just to recap, it's $17, you know, for the front end product, and if you pick up any of the upgrades, you'll jump on here with the breakout code for the full product suite. And guys, I really hope you jump on. It's a great product. I feel like it will bring a lot of like business to people that are looking to get into the online marketing world, and you know, it'll really bring it. I think it really does bring a good service to us all. Alright guys, thanks very much and take care, and I hope you jump on to Agency Press. Cheers.